Hello everyone, let's look at the place values of numbers that are more than 1,000. Place values of numbers that are more than 1,000. Do not forget your first place value is unit. After that is 10. After that, 100. After that, 1,000. After that, tens of thousands. After that, hundred of thousand. Hundred of thousand. After that, million. After that, tens of million. After that, hundred of millions. After that, billion. After billion, we have tens of billion. After that, hundred of billions. After that, trillion. Then we have tens of trillions, hundred of trillions, that order. But these are your place values at your level in primary or in this section of studies or GSS. These are your place values, or the secondary education. These are the place values you should know. So if you're given a number, for example, you're asked to write the place value or the values of each digit. Remember, place value tells you the position of each digit in a number. The place value tells you the position of each digit in a given number. So you have 76489, and you're asked to write the place value. Here is your unit. Here's your tens. Here's your hundred. Here's your thousand. Here's your tens of thousand. So you write them out. 9 is unit. 8 is tens. 4 is hundred. 6 is thousand. And 7 is tens of thousands. These numbers can also be written in whole number form. This is 9. This is a 10. A 10 is 80. 400 is 400. 6,000 is 6,000. 7 tens of thousand is 70,000. So these are their different numbers. This is their own number form, and this is their place value form. So if you're asked what is the place value of 9, the answer is unit. If you're asked what is the place value of 8, the answer is 10. If you're asked what is the place value of 4, the answer is 100. If you're asked what is the place value of 6, the answer is 1,000. If you're asked what is the place value of 7, the answer is tens of thousands. And if you're asked to express them in their own number form, 9 is 9 because unit is 1. So 9 times 1 is 9. 10 is 80 because it is 8 times 10. That is 80. 400 is 400 because it is 4 times 100. That is 400. 6,000 is 6 times 1,000. That is 6,000. 7 tens of thousand. That is 7 times 10,000. That is 70,000. These are their different whole number form. Yes, these are you write place value. So here is the place value. Unit 10, 100,000, tens of thousand. Here's their own number form in that manner. So this is how you go about writing numbers in their place value form. We can also write them in this form. Let's take another example here quickly. You will ask to write a particular number in its place value form. You can also write it in this form. You ask to write a number in its place value form. For example, you're giving 5, 3, 6, 8. You ask to write them in their place value form. Write this number in words in place value form. This is unit, 10, 100, and 1000. So you write 5,000, 5,000, 300. You add x, 5,300, 6 tens, and 8 units. These are the right numbers in words in their place value form. These are the right numbers in words in their place value form. These are the right numbers in words in their place value form. Take another example. This unit, tens, 100, 1000, tens of thousand. So this is 7 tens of thousand, 1000, 8 thousands, 8,000s, 900s, 3 tens, 4 units. So these are the right numbers in words in their place value form. Should you ask to write numbers in words in their place value form, this is how you go about doing that. Should you ask to write the place value alone of given numbers, this is how you go about it. Unit, tens, 100. So take note of all this thing I'm doing on the board here. We are still on place value. Should you ask to write the place value of given numbers or specified numbers or circled numbers? For example, you're given 9, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 4 is circled, and you're asked to write the place value of the circled number. Write the place value of the circled number. It is specified circled number. So we want to see the answer of 4 alone. Here is unit, tens, 100, and 1000. So 4 is 1000. So the place value of 4 is 1000. The place value of the circled number, which is 4, is 1000. Yes, that is why it is specified. So you only deal with the specified number, or the circled number, or the underlined number. But if you ask to write the place value of all the digits in the number, you write all 1000,